The Weetall's Fast Corner Clamp is designed for different kind of wood crafting, such as craftwork alignment, drilling, carpentry, welding, tightening for making drawers, cabinets, square boxes, and picture and photo frame reinforcement, furniture repair connections, wooden DIY projects, etc. The weight is only about 4.4 ounces, but the maximum clamping range is 3.74 inches. With ergonomic design, each angle clamp includes 2 rubber pads to protect your wood pieces from any damage. This is not only a dowel jig, you could use it as self-centering doweling jig for drilling holes, also could use as center scriber for marking. A woodworking system that combines marking and punching. The self-centering locator can quickly and accurately scribe center holes or straight lines on wooden boards. And the edge of the dowel jig can be drawn with 1/16 inch, 3/16, May 16, 7/16, 1/8, 1/4, March 8, half an inch edge parallels. Now, there's no need to choose between staying aware of dangers on the job site or protecting your hearing. With the 3M ProProtect electronic hearing protector plus gel cushions, you can do both simultaneously. This electronic hearing protector helps protect you from hazardous noises, allows you to communicate in low-noise environments, and enhances your situational awareness. Bluetooth registered wireless technology seamlessly syncs with your mobile devices, so you can make and receive phone calls through the headset. And premium gel ear cushions are comfortable for extended wear. Set comprises 1 by 1/4 chisel, 1 by 3/8 chisel, 1 by 1/2 chisel, 1 by 3/4 chisel, 1 by 1 chisel, 1 by 1/1/4 chisel, 1 by 1/1/2 chisel, 1 by 2 chisel, 6 mm, 10 mm, 13 mm, 19 mm, 25 mm, 32 mm, 38 mm, 50 mm, 1x honing guide, and 1x aluminum oxide sharpening stone. The set contains 2 pieces 4.5 bar clamps and 2 pieces 6 bar clamps. The 4.5 clamps can be set to spreaders of size up to 7 7/8, and 6 clamp is also a spreader with size up to 11 1/4. The unique quick change button design allows the F clamp to be a spreader as well. Just press the red button to take the jaw off and then reverse it before putting it back in. You will get the spreader you need. These anti-static soft cloths have just the right amount of tack to collect, like a magnet, dirt, lint, dust, sawdust, contaminants, surface defect particles without leaving residue, giving you an outstandingly smooth surface ready for that final finish. Open tacky cloth and scrunch lightly to remove dust or gently wipe away gently sanding or paint residue and other particulates. Can be folded and put away in sealed bag for further use. Discard when tack cloth surface is fully coated with contaminant. Whether you're using wood glue, school glue, or mixing epoxy, if you don't have a place to put the glue while working, it can become messy. With several smart design features, the Silly Glue Pod will be able to keep your glue where it belongs. The Silly Glue Pod features a sloped, rounded interior base that funnels your glue into place at the bottom of the pod. The pod's hexagon shape is perfect for easy, quick glue brush dipping and dabbing for just the right amount of glue for your application. The Silly Glue Pod not only keeps your glue contained in one convenient container, it has a lid that pulls double duty and is perfect for a wide variety of glue-up projects. Flip the lid over, place it on your work surface, and use the aligned notches to hold your glue brushes in place to drip the glue into the lid. You can also attach the lid to the Silly Glue Pod using the grooves on the top of the lid. This way, you can let the glue brushes drip directly back into the Silly Glue Pod itself. No more C-clamps when trying to secure a straight edge to your large or small wooden panels. Cut large panels, small panels, route straight dados, and more. ProGrip Straight Edge Guides are not only great straight edge guides, they are super easy to align and even easier to clamp into place. These clamps are ideal for cutting large sheets of plywood in half. Each clamp is identified by the maximum clamping distance between jaws. Another great application for these clamps is cutting dado slots for bookshelves. Ideal for the auto industry, utility workers, regular construction, logistic, warehousing, driving, forest, ranching, landscaping, gardening, picking, camping, hand tools, and DIY light-duty works, mechanics, outdoor activities. Faux leather palm filled with 5mm foam padding for abrasion resistant. Lightweight, breathable and level 5 dexterous stretch spandex. Saker Spray Paint Racks is an innovation tool that allows you to paint and stack doors and trim with ease. With its unique and innovative design of the I-type, it can totally change your way when you paint. This amazing tool not only can turn over the door easily, but also can be stacked with its unique design. With the ability to stack several doors or trim and paint both sides in one seamless process, you can complete and move on to the next project faster. Everything you want to do with the door, it can be effortlessly done just in your house. This Saker 4-in-1 Painter's I-type accessory tool is amazingly durable, versatile, and reusable. It can be used to paint interior and exterior doors, trim, door frame, and kitchen cabinet doors.